Okay, here's the video of the replacement Delco 729 2738, identified as a C95 on the circuitry board. And this is the resistor fuse that was changed out. This is the other one, because in stereo we have two of these, just as we have two of the DS501 transistors. We have two of the 729 2738 resistor fuses, which are ceramic. And here we can see the new soldering joint right there, here, and here. And here you can see my writing where 0.6 ohms was tested in place. I'm sorry, 0.6 ohms was tested on the resistor before putting it in place. And now that it's been put in place, we can see the writing coming through the 0.6 ohms on that replacement resistor fuse. So that resistor fuse did its job when the stereo was connected to less than 10 ohm impedance speakers, and the resistor fuse blew, requiring it to be replaced on the board inside the stereo unit, as well as taking out the DS501. So it did its job for the most part, but still backup power was transmitted to the DS501. That blew, and then the resistor fuse blew. So both components were changed out. Okay, this is George in Florida. Today is Sunday, April 13th. Thank you very kindly.